In this lesson, I'm going to show you one of the coolest features of the entire AI SDR platform, and that is the creation of personalized AI fields that can research each lead and come up with dynamic personalized content in the form of AI variables. Okay, so from within my campaign dashboard, I'm going to come over to my AI personalization pane. And from here, I can start to generate personalized, fully researched AI fields that I can use in my sequences in the next lesson. So what do I mean by that? Well, let me show you an example. So if I click add field here, and I want to maybe do an icebreaker field. Okay, so let's pretend that every single LinkedIn message and email that we're going to set up in the next lesson, I want to break the ice in a personalized way. So because these are cold outreach campaigns, I want to write something that is research and it feels like it's personalized for that lead. And I want to lead with that in each of my messages. Okay, so I'm going to say, this is my icebreaker I'll use to break the ice with each lead. All right, now from there, there's a couple things I want to mention. Firstly, we are for every single lead going to scrape, if we so choose, their website and their LinkedIn profile for personalized data, okay? And once we're able to pull that data and we build like a research profile on each lead, then we can instruct our AI agent to perform certain tasks or write certain things for us based off that research. Okay, so I'm going to toggle on my read website scrape and my LinkedIn profile scrape. Okay, again, all that is doing is for each lead is building a knowledge base or custom information that we can then use to write personalized messages. And then what I'm going to tell the AI agent to do is say, take the information we find on this lead's website and LinkedIn profile. I want you to write me a personalized icebreaker that mentions something really cool and fun that this lead is working on. Make it short and sweet and very polite. Okay? Then I can give it like an example. So I can train it. Like, okay, so, hey Alex, love that you jumped from finance to AI and excited to see what you're building at version 7. Okay, perfect. And then I'm gonna hit add field. Now, similarly, in each sequence in the next lesson, I'm going to want to frame my messages from the standpoint of problem and solution. So in our example, these SaaS companies, their problem is that they don't have a cheap, easy way to write blog posts. That's the service I'm going to provide in this theoretical example. And so what I want to do is I want to add another field that is going to research this company's pain point. Okay. And again, I want to scrape their website and their LinkedIn profile. And I'm going to tell the agent to, based off the information we give you on this lead's company, I want you to write me a sentence that perfectly describes their main problem when it comes to content management. Keep this all lowercase, as we'll be putting this into the middle of a sentence. And we'll hit add field. Okay. And so now for every single lead, we're going to scrape their website and their LinkedIn profile, and we're going to write them a custom icebreaker. And we're also going to scrape their LinkedIn and their website and generate a pain point in the realm of content generation or content services that we can then use to pull in dynamically into each message or email so that we can then frame our solution or our offer as the solution to their pain point. So that is how you create AI personalization fields. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to feed these into a sequence. Now we can actually build our multi-step conditional sequences across email and LinkedIn.